Deuteronomy 28 ne kubhalwe the blessings of obedience and the consequences of disobedience, right? So kunabazalwana baye bacomplaine bathi ngibonakala ngathi xa ndi-attacked ndihluleka, iintshaba zam ziyandlula, right? Athi umntu understand bakwenzekani, andisazi ukuthi kwenzekani. Xa ndikwi-spiritual warfare, iintshaba zam zibonakala as if they are more powerful than I am, right? Sit down and examine yourself. Ask yourself ukuthi, am I obedient, right? Because into nento oyenzayo as a Christian ineziphumo zakhona. It's either a consequences or it's either the blessings, right? Right. Then, asijonge napha Deuteronomy 28 verse 7. Those are the blessings of obedience, right? Ithini blessings of obedience? The Lord will defeat your enemies when they attack you. They will attack you from one direction, but they will run away from you in all directions. Why? Because you are obedient, right? And when you are obedient, there are blessings of obedience. That is why the Lord is defeating your enemies when they attack you. But now also there are consequences of disobedience, right? Exactly. There are consequences of disobedience. Because sinengxaki uba siblame uThixo but singazi-examine thina, right? Okay. So what are the consequences of disobedience? Deuteronomy 28 verse 25. The Lord will give your enemies victory over you. You will attack them from one direction, but you will run away from them in all directions. Iyayiva ke ngoku? Injani? So, iba obedient endleleni kaThixo. Ube holy, ube righteous. Obedience, holiness, and righteousness. Zonke izinto guys ziyasetyenzelwa. Awuvekile nje uvuke uyabona nako konke. Uzama kanzima ukuthi ube sendaweni eright noThixo. You understand? Zibhaliwe there are so many from the book of Deuteronomy 28. There are so many blessings of obedience and the consequences of obedience. Zibhalwe zaninzi. You understand? Nandikhethe ezi because abantu bazokubuza ukuthi hayibo, I've been praying against this but ibonakala ukuthi iyandlula. Did you examine yourself? Uye wazihlala phansi wazijongisisa ukuthi kuwe as a believer kushodaphi? Because kuba khona apho kushoda khona kuthi bese si-expect uThixo ukuthi makasenzele. Yeah, understand? Bakhona apho sishoda khona bese thina sifuna ukuthi uThixo senzele konke kodwa thina sikwenzi konke. Andithi yanibamba? Thank you.